Okay, so following on from my last video about a Halfords car cover, I got some comments saying people got the same cover, but it's taken them 40 minutes to put on. And straight out of the box, it's probably not folded correctly for sort of optimizing how it can be put on. And I'll show you some tips that I've done with the straps. So I'll take this off. Bear with me because I'm doing it with one hand and holding the camera in the other hand. But yeah, I'll show you how I fold it. So undo the straps. Okay, so start from the back. Doesn't really matter, you can start from the front as well, but so you want to hook it. Now take the first side to the middle. Flatten it out. So your first side is overlapped. Then do the same with the front. Like so. So the two flaps are overlapping. Then take one of the folds, fold it over. Like so. On the other side, just draw out the straps from underneath. And I put them over the top like so. Like that, so the straps are on top. Then just simply flap over this side. And just sort of fold that one in half. Fold this one in half. So you can see how long it's kind of taken me from when I get it to this folded point. Then in half again, and depends how small you want to take it, you can flatten it down and go in half again, and then store it away. So when you got to this point, you've got it out of your storage. You can then start the timer. So you're at 3:47 into the video minutes. So I'll wait for it to get to 4 and see how long it takes me to put it on. Okay. All right, 4 minutes. So flub it back over. Back over. Come around the other side. Got this back over again. This side back over. Tuck it round. Oh, keep tripping over. Take the straps down. Take the straps down. Full time doing it with one hand. That's flapped down, that's flapped down. Now the straps, what I've done is off eBay, and I'll put the description where I got it from. I bought some more of these clips, and I simply attached two. First, I put one on the end, but I thought you need a little bit extra weight because sometimes it doesn't take it all the way through. So I put two at the end, and that seems to be quite good. So once you've done that, and you've bought these extra clips, attach them to the end of the strap, coil it up like so, and I'll move the other camera around the other side so hopefully you'll see it come around the other side. If I can point it down right at the floor. Right, try and leave this side up out the way so it doesn't get snagged on it. So leave this up over the wing mirror out the way. Get this, just simply chuck it underneath. The same with this one. Again, it's got two on the end. And chuck it underneath. And now, this one is the original one. I've only put one on the end. So this probably won't work. You probably need to get something to fish it out with, like a cane with a hook on the end. But it all depends how good your throw is, really. Right, so we go around the other side and we see what's come out. Alright, so we've got one that's come through, we've got another one that's come through, and this one that's come through. And simply fold it down, and this is the hard bit I can't do with one hand. Clip them together. So I can't do that because I'm holding the camera and clipping together at the same time, but you get the gist. So I started in 4 minutes and we're now at 7 minutes 30. So yeah, 3-4 minutes and its cover is on, and that's it. So I'm really sorry to the lady it took 40 minutes to do it. With practice and attaching those extra weights on the end of the straps, you can do it in under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care now.